actually took off all the OEM heat shielding, which is over behind us. And we're now gonna put some Heat Shield Products Sticky Shield on because we feel it's gonna be way better than the OEM stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and we've already lifted it up, cut a piece, and then we're gonna stick it on. And we're gonna do this to the entire transmission panel. So big shout out to Heat Shield Products for hooking us up. I'll show you guys the other piece. OEM pieces right here. And we've got some Sticky Shield sheets right here. So we just are cutting them and sticking them on as we go. So it's gonna be nice and protected. Awesome. We got our first piece of Sticky Shield on that we cut, and now I'm gonna use the tape that they send. It's like a foil tape to just secure the edges. That way it doesn't peel up. And so I've used this stuff before. It's super easy to use and it works really well. All right, so we've got our first piece of Heat Shield, Sticky Shield on the transmission tunnel, and the tape really does a great job sealing it off, so you know you're not having any issues with it peeling back. Plus it looks really good, and man, so easy to install. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna continue, we're gonna put another piece right here, and then one more piece to match the other side. And then we'll probably work a nice little piece to come up the tunnel right there. And yeah, it's gonna be looking good. All right, we've got both sides on with our tape. And last, we're gonna put a piece right up the center there. Maybe use a template so it gets a nice fitment. And then we will fill in this section here with a piece. And I think that will complete our transmission tunnel shielding. Maybe we'll put a little bit more on the back side. I don't know if we're gonna need it, but looks good. Super easy, super clean. Got our Squish boom bottle too. All right, so we got that third piece on, looking really good. Just in case you guys are wanting to do this yourself, we are using a lot of the coil foil tape. So you might wanna snag some of it. There it is, coil foil tape, or sorry, cool foil tape. Comes in 1 inch by 10 foot rolls, and we're just using a lot of it. So grab yourself some, get it done. Okay, so we got all the heat shielding in exactly where we wanted it. This is the Heat Shield Products Sticky Shield. We replaced all of the OEM paneling that was on here. That was heat shield, but we feel this is gonna be a better solution for us. I think it'll provide much better, insulation from the heat of the exhaust and even the transmission too. So it was super easy to do. Decided to use a couple templates on these pieces here just so it looked a lot nicer, but as you guys saw, we really just kind of held the sheet up here and cut it, and I think it came out great, and I think that this is going to be awesome for us. We've got a really nice set of Cook's headers, and I know they're going to generate some heat. So this Heat Shield Product Sticky Shield is going to work really well for us, and I just want to say thanks again to Heat Shield Products. If you guys are looking to get some products like this, go check out heatshieldproducts.com.
What's up, America? Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell. And if you want to see the most recent additional content, click up here. Check out this nice little video right here. And if you're looking for additional content, check out this one right here.